Hello everyone, this video is all about environmental legislation. So, in this video, we will discuss some points on environmental laws and rules. First, we will know some environmental acts and their year of enactment. In aspect of water, there are two acts. The first one is the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, which was passed in 1974. And the second one is the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Cess Act, that was passed in 1977. For air, there is one act, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, that was passed in 1981. Next point to note is that the Center Pollution Control Board is empowered to set the standard for ambient air quality under this act. Environment Protection Act was passed in 1986. This act was passed after Bhopal gas tragedy and it comes under the Article 253 of the Constitution. Next is for minerals. Mines and Minerals Regulation and Development Act was passed in 1957. Next is Biodiversity Act that was passed in the year 2000. Next is National Green Tribunal NGT Act that was passed in 2010. Seventh is Motor Vehicle Act that was passed in 1988 and the Factories Act was passed in 1948. Ninth is Public Liability Insurance Act. This act was passed in the year 1991. The point to note in this is Environmental Relief Fund was established under the provision of this act. For forest, there are two important acts. The first is Forest Protection Act that was enacted in 1986 and Indian Forest Act that was enacted in 1927. Last is Wildlife Protection Act that was passed in 1972. Now we will see some articles that are important. Article 47 of the Constitution of India. This article directs the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health as among its primary duties. And in particular state, it shall endure means considered as goal to bring about prohibition of intoxicating drinks and drugs which are injurious to health. Second article is Article 48A. It states that a state shall endure to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. Third important article is Article 51A. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife and to have compassion for living creatures. Now last important article is Article 21. It states right to life and right to clean environment. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.